This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi sheets at home, only way. First, cook short grain rice until very sticky, season with rice vinegar and a touch of sugar, then spread paper thin on a non-stick sheet, press evenly, and dry briefly until pliable. These sheets roll like nori and store for several days in an airtight container for quick sushi or snacks. Gather ingredients and tools: short grain rice, rice vinegar, salt, sugar, optional sesame oil, a wide bowl, spatula, and a silicone mat or plastic wrap on a tray. Cook rice slightly softer than usual. Cool slightly, then gently fold in seasoning so grains remain intact. Work quickly to spread thinly while warm, and use steady pressure for even thickness so sheets dry uniformly and remain flexible for rolling. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen hacks. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while prepping with the Owala water bottle you saw here. It's handy during long cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Spread a warm, thin layer of seasoned rice onto your prepared surface, aiming for uniform thickness to prevent tearing. Dry gently with low oven heat or air dry until the sheet becomes pliable but not brittle, which usually takes under an hour depending on humidity. Let cool fully before trimming edges, then stack with parchment and store in an airtight container for several days. Rehydrate slightly if too stiff before rolling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.